Hello, I made an n8n workflow by which you can generate a documentation for your completed n8n templates, and this workflow will automatically save this documentation on your Notion n8n portfolio. Not only that, it will also auto post a LinkedIn on your behalf based on your completed n8n templates. So let's see how it actually works. First of all, we have to upload our n8n JSON blueprint in a specific drive folder. So I'm gonna upload my JSON blueprint. So here is my JSON blueprint. I have uploaded it. After uploading, I will execute my workflow, and now it will fetch the drive folder. Then it will send it to the Gemini for generating the documentation. After that, the documentation will be saved on your Notion portfolio of n8n, and then it will generate the LinkedIn post and automatically post it on your behalf on your LinkedIn account. So we have to wait a few minutes to complete this workflow. Now it's completed, so let's check it on our Notion database. So open it. You see here, this is the documentation for our completed n8n templates. Here's the full documentation. What's the feature, what's the use case, and how it works. So after that, we will check our LinkedIn. Let's refresh this page. Here is the latest post. It is posted 1 minute ago. That's it. I hope this n8n workflow really helped you to save you time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.